again. Another day, another dollar. Just back from work. Last day of school. I ain't see these folks till August the 3rd. So y'all already know what time it is. Shit, I'm tired of hearing this shit. I don't car telling you put your seatbelt on, but I understand. Safety first. What was I gonna say? I'm finna go ahead and go get my son so I can get back doing what I've been doing. Finish up with the upgrade the speakers. Upgrade the speakers, man. That's trying to get some better sound. Till I figured out the next set of daily truck is the daily truck, boy. Them big old tires. That's some big old tires on that truck. I like stuff like that, but I don't want my truck to be that high. I do not want my truck to be that high. Cause those folks there be balling. They be balling. On the E-way, I be scared them mama make sharp turns and they flip over. I don't want my truck to be that high. I like at least 2 inches, 2.5 inches. That's about it. I like some of those. I like a truck lifted just a little bit, with just squatted just a little bit too. So. I will have me a truck later on. Hopefully be this year. I'm praying. I'm gonna work my butt off to get me one. They looking strange as hell, boy. Some strange ass people. Some strange ass people. But anyway, yeah, I need to hurry up and get these. It's supposed to rain today. To cut up. I'm looking at the weather. The weather always changes in Atlanta, man. The 1 minute it's supposed to be cutting up, 1 minute it don't cut up. You get rain partial today and don't rain for the whole partial day. Like, it's supposed to rain all day today, but it got the sun out. But I see clouds, dark clouds, and funny looking clouds up there. And I'm looking at them. Some dark, some light. So you can see right up here. And get it back that thing. No, summer is right around the corner. This month about to go up. This month, we got another week in this month. And I think this is last week, if I'm mistaken. Got 1 more week. I think so. I don't know. I think, yeah, summer right around the corner. And, we just getting a good taste of being warm, because right now it's in the 80s. You go in the car, it's like it's in the 100s. Oh, Lord. It feel like it's in the 80s today, man. I just got to go get my, also I had to go get my tag, man. I do not have my tag. I'm still waiting on my tags for my SC95, even though I'm riding illegally and legally at the same time. I know I ain't supposed to have the tags on it because it came off my other vehicle, the one that crashed it last year. So it's still active, but I'm gonna get it active again because the tag still registered until this month only. So I'm gonna pay to get another tag or another sticker on it just to, you know what I'm saying, just have it around. For, you know, just in case something come over. But I'm not trying to do that to get a ticket, even though I'm not gonna even risk it. But you know, you got some people do that. But at least my car have insurance, so we're gonna even take care of that. I think today or tomorrow, cause yeah, it'll probably be today or tomorrow. My schedule don't get busy. But Also, I was supposed to be leaving, going to Memphis for 3 days. So I'm gonna shoot content when I'm down there. And I'll be down there for a few days just to take care of a little business and shoot back up here to Atlanta and continue my content. Cause I got some business moves and other moves I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get engaged to get all this stuff out the way. I know this post's gonna be late. All my posts will be late cause I'm still uploading other posts and stuff. So yeah, just bear with me cause I'm doing a whole lot, man. I'm all over the place. Well, not in a bad way. What the fuck, bro? Oh my God, bro. You got to be kidding me. Oh my God, bro. One. People in Atlanta, boy. Oh my God, bro. You got to be shitting me. I think his car probably quit on him or something. Oh, I don't know what's going on. This shit crazy. You see all types of shit crazy. You see all types of shit in the ATL, man. All types of shit. Crazy shit on the road. It's so weird to me. It's so weird. But, yeah, man. I gotta get this car tinted out. I gotta get all my other cars tinted out, so. Also, I bought me a zero gauge wire, OFC zero gauge kit. It's not the same color. It's a blue color. It's a blue color. So I'm like, damn, man, I wanted a white. Zero gauge, and I know I got some on some of these websites. I know some of the other websites sells different color of zero gauge kit. And, it's hard to try to find me in white, so I settle for blue. Like, forget it. So I'm just got to get it installed so I can put my system in there. And also I gotta go build me a box. I'm gonna have to build a box for this car. I got two temporary 15s will be in here because I'm gonna get some more 15s. I'm gonna get some B2 Audio 15s and BT Audio 12s from my other car. And for my Mustang, I don't know what type of subs I'm gonna go with that. I might go with a certain budget for that one. Not a low budget, but like a mid high end budget. I'm not trying to stick too much of a expensive ass system in there. Even it's gonna be, but you know, I'm not gonna go crazy, a crazy money spend on that building. So it's gonna be a certain budget for that one. I'm gonna go with a different budget for this one, the one I'm in. What the hell? Look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. I think that's a female in that car. I think that's a female in that car. I thought it was a dude. They're on my side of the road. Shit crazy as hell, bro. That shit crazy. But nevertheless, man, before I get my son, gonna shoot back to the house because it's lucky for the rain. I want to wait till this rain go by because I don't know what time we're gonna do it because I see the clouds looking ugly. I'm gonna cut y'all cats back on and go from there. We back. Another day.
Underwater.
Not part two, but day two. I'm getting everything ready. Do this other side, driver's side. Because the other side took me the longest. Because, you know, I'm a family man. I got to came to the family. So y'all got to excuse me on that part. Get everything ready. After I do it, should be done. The both sides. Then on the next video, I'm gonna do the back side all together in one walk, the whole day. So school is out, no interference. I'm gonna go all in. Go ahead and get this done. I want to hear the tool. And we're gonna take a ride out and clear it out. You know what I'm saying? I just don't have no pro audio speakers yet. I'm gonna upgrade it on the next round. So cause you know I got these cars right here got 7.5 or 5x7 or 6x8, however you want to say it. And then you had the 6.5 in the back. So I might stick the Pro Drive, the 6.5 Pro Drive in the back, and twins in the back, and then 5x7 will be on the front. So it's just, you know what I'm saying, another upgrade on this one. I had some speakers already I've been bought years ago, and I'm glad I did have them, so that's why I'm installing now. So enough talking, let's get it, man. Okay. Raining outside. Yeah, everything done. Got the speaker in here, replace the speaker in there. Got the tweeter, and got the 5x7s, and they got a crossover in here. Well, on the other side too. So I gotta clean this up. So the only thing I had to do is I had to upgrade the speaker in the backside, left and right backside. And so I'm gonna do that on another video, the next video. That right there could be considered the second round part 2 of that. This was my first time doing this in a Mustang, so this was a lot of work. Not too much of a work. I'm gonna cut it up just a little bit, just to hear it without getting no copyrights. So this is just how it sounds. I just don't want to get no copyright. But it sounds good for what it is. I ain't got no amp on them. It got the factory amp. I got 2 amps back there. I got 2 factory amps back there. And, two little small amps behind the seat, between the trunk and the seat. And, that's it. So I'm gonna have to on the next thing after this, after the back, the rear speakers, the back rear speakers, I'm gonna have to hook my power wire and my amp and speakers back there and box back there after the next part of the rear speakers I got to install. Yeah. After I install these, that's gonna be next on the list. So until then, I upgrade some of my speakers to like the Pro Audio speakers and more dope speakers. Right now, these just temporary speakers I bought from Walmart. Y'all know about Walmart. You know what I'm saying? I offer to use those for a project, sound setup for testing out speakers. I mean subs. I'm still gonna test out speakers. I'm still gonna do that, but I would use it for that purposes. So I end up using those for replacing speakers inside here. So that's why I went with those. But meantime, it's just for temporary use till I get a new set, replace those, and replace the 6.5 with Pro drivers, with Pro Audio drivers, and that's it. So that's for right now, I guess. But I gotta buy some more crossovers. I gotta buy some more crossovers. Check my messages. But overall, man, I finally got this done. It was a little work, but I got it done. Oh God, I don't know what I do. Probably like that. Oh shit, this should not be like that. I'm gonna have to fix it. There ain't no snap. But overall, man, everything is good. But y'all comment, share, subscribe. Also follow your boy, all platforms. And also follow my second channel, My YouTube channel is Top Cat Underground TV with all the exclusives. The other half of the exclusives go on this channel. And, oh, that's my crazy call. Yeah, go follow this second channel. I got a box just came in. It's supposed to be fixing my car. I'm gonna unbox it on that second channel. And look out for that channel. And, we finna do some installments. But till then, this is your boy TK. See the Top Cat, man. Your boys.